The creation of iPhone 18 does not begin in a factory. It begins in a secret design lab in Cupertino, California. Years before the product is released, Apple's research and development teams begin imagining the future. They study market trends, customer feedback, and emerging technologies. What do users want next? Longer battery life, smarter AI, a more powerful camera. Every possibility is explored. Designers sketch hundreds of concepts. Engineers build digital 3D models to test size, weight, and internal layout. Discussions go on for months. Some ideas are rejected, others are refined again and again. Apple's goal is out to not just to build a new phone, but to define the next generation of smartphones. The development cycle of a single iPhone can take 2 to 3 years. iPhone 18. De la sorte. iPhone 18 is the result of countless experiments, meetings, and prototypes, all focused on delivering a device that feels futuristic the moment you hold it.
Once the core concept is finalized, Apple moves into the prototyping phase. Dozens of physical models are created. Some are fully functional, while others are built purely to test design and ergonomics. Engineers carefully examine how the device feels in the hand. Is the weight balanced? Are the buttons positioned naturally? Does the camera bump sit evenly on a flat surface? Even the smallest details, fractions of a millimeter, are adjusted repeatedly. Robotic machines simulate years of usage by pressing buttons thousands of times. Charging ports are tested for durability. Devices are exposed to extreme heat and cold conditions. If a flaw is discovered, the design is revised immediately. Apple is known for its obsession with precision. Nothing moves forward unless it meets strict internal standards. This stage ensures that when iPhone 18 reaches customers, it not only looks premium, but feels perfectly engineered.
Part of iPhone 18 now further multitasking, and iPhone 18 is not just powerful, it is intelligent. The upgraded neural engine inside the A18 chip is designed specifically for artificial intelligence tasks. It can perform trillions of operations per second. This allows the phone to process photos instantly. AI analyzes lighting, depth, and movement in real time when you take a photo. When you speak to Siri, your voice is processed securely on the device itself. This reduces the need to send data to external servers, improving privacy. AI also enhances gaming performance and augmented reality experiences. It even improves predictive text. The integration between hardware and software is what makes Apple devices unique. In iPhone 18, artificial intelligence is deeply embedded into every function of the device. A single dead pixel can get an entire iPhone 18 screen rejected, even after everything that goes into making it. The display might use next generation micro LED technology this time, which means every single pixel creates its own light. They start with strengthened glass and layer ultra thin materials on top. Each pixel can turn on or off completely independently. That's how you get those deep blacks and insane color accuracy. The refresh rate could hit 120 Hertz or higher for buttery smooth scrolling. After assembly, every screen gets individually calibrated with precision instruments. Apple's quality control is honestly ruthless, but that's exactly why every iPhone screen feels premium. The camera system of iPhone 18 iPhone 18 represents a major leap in mobile photography. It may include a larger sensor, improved lenses, and enhanced AI image processing. Each sensor contains millions of pixels that capture light and convert it into digital information. The lens system is assembled with microscopic precision to ensure perfect focus and clarity. Optical image stabilization reduces blur in photos and videos. Advanced night mode captures more light in low light environments. The device may even support 8K video recording. Before installation, every camera module is tested for sharpness, color accuracy, and autofocus speed. Combined with Apple's computational photography software, the camera transforms everyday moments into cinematic experiences. Battery life is one of the most maintaining long-term durability. The logic board is the central hub of iPhone 18. It connects the processor, memory, storage, and other critical components. Advanced robotic systems place tiny components onto the board with extreme After hardware assembly is complete, iPhone 18 receives its operating system. The latest version of iOS is installed using specialized software tools. Engineers calibrate sensors, cameras, and Face ID systems. Every function is tested to ensure seamless integration between hardware and software. Apple's ecosystem is designed to work flawlessly, from iCloud synchronization to security encryption. If any issue is detected, the device is re-evaluated before moving forward. Before reaching customers, each iPhone 18 must pass rigorous durability tests. Devices are dropped repeatedly from controlled heights. Water resistance is tested under specific pressure conditions. Buttons are pressed thousands of times. Temperature stress tests simulate extreme climates. These procedures ensure that the phone performs reliably in real-world situations. Only devices that pass all quality standards move to the next stage. Once approved, the device is cleaned and carefully packaged. Apple uses environmentally friendly materials to reduce waste. The charging cable and documentation are placed neatly inside the box. Each unit is sealed, labeled, and tracked through a global logistics system. Attention to detail extends even to the unboxing experience. Finally, iPhone 18 begins its journey around the world. Units are shipped by air and sea to distribution centers across multiple countries. Retail stores prepare for launch day. Online pre-orders open. Customers line up, eager to experience the future. From a simple idea in a design lab to millions of hands worldwide, iPhone 18 represents years of innovation, engineering,